She's gonna jump into the tree. Then what are you gonna all the way down to the ground. Adrina, gonna slam into the... Okay, Adrina, just...
That's a long way.
No, it's not. It doesn't look that long from here. Adrina, there's not. Adrina, just put your body weight on the other side of the tree.
How am I gonna do that?
Like jump.
I like trip on the branch. This is so retarded. Christy, I don't want to do it.
Adrina, come on.
I don't want to.
Adrina, you're not gonna die. Okay, let's go, Adrina.
It's so high up.
We're gonna be here all day. Adrina, it would have already been over with.
I just wanted to go skating.
Oh, she's getting closer.